scarred by canned braised steak and onions as a kid? This TM6 slow cook version will change your mind. So I'm adding some garlic to the mixer bowl. I'm going to give it a quick chop. We have our beautiful sliced onions that we prepared earlier. Of course, you can use your Thermomix to chop your onions if you want to, but the idea behind this is that you get the classic wedges of onion through your casserole. I'm going to give this a quick little saute, and this is your opportunity to prep your other ingredients, but we've already done ours, so I'm going to go on my phone. No one ever said that I was a clean cook. Just want to get a really good coating all over the beef. If you have to get in there with your hands, you can. So now I am just adding a few ingredients that really make what our braised beef and onions are. It's a very simple dish, which I actually really like because it allows those really simple ingredients like bay leaf and Worcestershire sauce to really come out. We add a special ingredient that a lot of Aussies do, including my mum, which is Vegemite. But if you don't do Vegemite, we've given you an alternative. Then we pop the lid on, and we are actually going to use the slow cook function of the TM6. This is our first recipe that we've done for Skinnymixers using this function. But don't worry, if you don't have a TM6, you can do this all in the slow cooker at this point. Give this comforting and delicious recipe a go and let us know what you think.